Hey, yeah, it's Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, what we are doing is we're going to be changing out these faded door handles. You can't really tell because the light's not shining on it, but if we look closely, these are so faded. So when I originally bought these door handles, this and this and this came together. But for some reason, these two didn't fade, but this door handle did. Same thing over here. These two are perfectly color matched, and this one faded. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna go ahead and pop these off and go ahead and get the new door handles that I just ordered. Yeah, let's go ahead and unbox them. So here we go, got them off Amazon, so I'll drop the link in the description so you can go ahead and pick these up. But let's go ahead and open up this box here and see how the new door handles are looking, because these old door handles are not the move. They look terrible. So just like that. It has all of them right here, and it has the adhesive on the back, which is perfect, what we need. So I have all four right here, super easy, and they look shiny black, which is exactly what we want compared to what we have right now. So let's go ahead and start taking off the old ones, and let's go ahead and put these new ones on. Alright, so it's actually a week later. I couldn't get those off of my hands, so I am now going to use tools and be very careful to not scratch anything. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver and just pry away and get this off because it's hard. I already got those two doors off, didn't take too long, so I'll kind of show you how to do it. So flathead screwdriver here. And I'm gonna start from this side, and I'm gonna pry it this way. Just like that, and the glue, as you can see, still stuck on, so I'm gonna have fun getting that off. It's not too bad. If you take your time, you can actually just kind of pull it all off. So, I'll show you what that looks like. So this is it after, and there's just little glue left here. And like I said, it's not hard to get off. If you just take your time, it will slowly come off. But as you can see the difference. And I can't wait to get the other door. I got one more door left, and then we're gonna go ahead and get these on. So let's go ahead and get the other door. All right, so we got all of those off, and it is pretty bare here. And so now it is time to go ahead and get these on. Now, normally what you would do next is go ahead and get some alcohol and prep this down. It promotes the adhesion. I don't have any alcohol, but I'm sure it'll be okay. But what you should do is at least clean it off. So let me show you the other side. See this? See how crazy it looks? So this is the actual door, and then the cover makes it so much better looking. So quick shot of what it looks like without the covers, and let's go ahead and get that first cover on. Okay, so I've already peeled off the cover. There's 3 covers that look like this, and the 4th one has a hole in it. This one's gonna be for the driver's side. Don't get them mixed up. Once you put it on, it's very hard to come off, and you will actually ruin the adhesive on the back. So, make sure that your door is clean and alcohol hand prepped and ready for adhesion. Just like that. On the back we have the adhesion tape here, so you can actually just go ahead and peel these off and stick it on. So I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this on. Make sure it goes the right way. Go ahead and press it down. Just like that. So there you go. That's it right there. And obviously there's the gap as usual, as it was. The only thing I could complain about is that it doesn't fit quite like the other one. Like on top, there's a gap here and a gap there. The other part covered up this part and then covered a little bit more. Had a little bit more covering on it. But like I said, from far away, you wouldn't really tell. And there is what it looks like from far away. So you can see a complete difference. So let's go ahead and get this one. And there we go, the final product. So back to the way it was when we first put them on, and they look so much better, as you can see from the camera here. Now there obviously is going to be minor imperfections because it's aftermarket, but when you really look close at it, the only thing you can see is when you do this. Focus. Right here. But from far away, when you look at it, that just looks sweet. So much better than those faded ones. There we go. Wasn't focused. So much better. Let's look at the other side. Let's close these doors. And keep in mind, the truck's really dirty right now. It would look a lot better if it's clean. But I'm not gonna go ahead and wash it yet until everything dries. It's sticked on. That's it right there. Looks awesome. And as you can tell, now you can really tell that the B-pillar trim is not quite black as this. It's got like a light gray to it. And I want to get the ones with the keypad, keyless entry. So maybe that will be next. But the next one is obviously going to be my level and tires. So here's a quick walk around of how the truck's looking. If you have any questions, leave a like and a comment. And if you did find this video helpful, leave a like so that YouTube will share this with other people. And I'll get back with you. The truck is coming along, and there's not too many quite things I want to do to it next. I'm probably going to plasti dip those little center caps black once the level and the tires are on, get exhaust, and then I think it's going to be pretty much done. Nice and simple, looks clean, looks good. Other than that, guys, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.